Hi, I'm Tony Cardenas. I'm a congressman for this area. I was here at Zonu for the grand opening, but here we are during this crazy time of the pandemic, and also it's manufacturing month, so we're celebrating manufacturing. There's a lot of manufacturing that goes on here in the San Fernando Valley. When you started working for this company, were you just out of high school or college, or what was your journey before you got here?
I soldered all my life. That was my first job, and I continue to do it. And I've learned a couple of things from them. And yeah, but I went to high school, never thinking I would be soldering.
So when you got the job here, did you grow up thinking that you would work for a manufacturing company, or are you a little surprised? And do you find this to be something that you could see yourself in a career here?
Yes, definitely. What I can say now is that I'm very grateful to be here. This company has shown me a lot as a person and what I can do as a person. I work with pretty much engineers, and I've learned a lot in the perspective of the manufacturing business. So I've gained a lot of knowledge working here.
My name is Ian Weaver. I've been with the company for 6 years this month. I started as one of their technicians and moved up to one of their engineers. They came and got me out of college and kind of showed me the ropes, and so it's been nice, and I got to see a lot of different things, work with a lot of big companies and everything, so it's been a huge learning experience, so I'm still enjoying it.
You never know what the future holds, but here in Los Angeles, here in the San Fernando Valley, manufacturing is all over the place, literally right down the street from you. And you can make $15 an hour, $25 an hour, $50 an hour, $100 an hour, and some people are making that kind of living without even going to college. So manufacturing is for everybody. You can be working in manufacturing.